All right, Dad Jack's Go with the Blues here. We're close to Christmas, and of course, somebody requested, Italian or 7 fishes, right, Rocco?
Yeah.
My friend Rocco in the house. Italian. Did you ever do that? 7 fishes?
Yeah, my family used to do it. We haven't done it in years.
Christmas Eve.
Yeah.
Christmas Eve.
Oh yeah.
So
Smelts.
smelts. Yep, fried smelts. That was my dad's favorite. He loves smelts. And bones and all, right?
Yeah.
Smell.
Bacala.
Yeah, salt cod.
Yep.
Bacala. So I said, well, I want to do this recipe for a while. Carlo, my mentor, that I worked with, I did my apprenticeship back in 1979 with him, and then years later I worked with him a couple years later out in San Francisco at Maxwell's Plum, and then he ran the Tides Wharf complex up there in Bodega Bay for 20-something years. He just retired. But I remember him showing me this recipe back in '79, Italian seafood salad. So I peeled, some potatoes. I'm using Yukon Gold. And so we're going to dice, give a nice dice. And put them in the cook. We're going to cook it all together. Well, I'm going to cook the seafood a little separate, I guess, because I don't want to. And what did I get? A Renegade there?
Yeah.
Look at this piece here. The head. And some salt and pepper. I'm going to put that off to the side, let that go hard. And then, so I want to use just as little of water as possible, when we do our seafood, poach our seafood off. We use a little bit of celery in the recipe. Some onion. What could go wrong with this, right, Rocco?
Yeah.
Garlic, olive oil. So there's some shrimp. Beautiful shrimp. Sea scallops, local sea scallops. I'm going to dice these scallops. Got the lobster tail here. Okay. I'm going to use a little bit of okay. the cut is important. You know, we got to get it kind of uniform. Hey Justin, you grab me a little bit of a lemon, a whole lemon. I just want to get the thing is, just want to barely cook this. So we got our potatoes going. We want to keep the potatoes just under. A little salt and pepper. Put a little garlic. Kind of like a ceviche, you know, we don't want to just barely get it up to where you want it. I'm going to shut this off right now. So like the vegetables just a little bit still al dente. The seafood. Just let it finish off a little bit in the skillet. And we'll be right back as soon as these potatoes are ready. They're still al dente. We'll be right back. Alright, so we drained them off real good. I'm going to drain off the liquid on this seafood. Making a bunch of racket over here, huh? Okay. There we go. So it's nice as you dress it with some good olive oil. Checo, some good stuff. More fresh garlic, of course some green onions, and a little more salt and pepper. So you let this set up, and then Once it cools, the potatoes gonna soak it right up. Grab a couple forks, Rocco. Justin, you got a whole tomato over there? Or something I can cut up? One underneath? Yeah. Where's that crab meat, Justin? Justin, the crab? Right on. I was going to put some calamari in here. But yeah, like I say, that the juice, it'll soak it right up when it cools down. Just give me 1 minute, Glenn. We'll be right back.
Okay.
Garnish this plate now. A little bit of diced tomato. Okay. We steamed up a couple of mussels here. Like I said, this is good hot or cold. Okay. One more green, and then alrighty, right. That's Italian seafood salad for the holidays. I wasn't able to get some calamari. I was gonna put some calamari rings in there. You can put whatever you want. Crab meat. Get some nice big pieces of crab meat. Add in there. Check it out, Rocco.
Looks good.
Alright? And as it cools down, you're just gonna get the potato's gonna soak up all the juice. It's important because that's citrus going on there, so maybe just even a little under like ceviche. If you add that lemon, it's gonna cook some more. So, right there, we covered 3 fishes out of the 7. You can make that all together a day ahead and just toss it. You know, when everything's cool, toss it with your dressing. But anyways, that day, guys, go with the blues. We're celebrating Italian heritage. You know, Rocco Gentilella.
Yep.
Gentilella. Good man here, you know, just a native. Were you were born here?
Yeah, born on Shore Street.
Born here in Shaw Street now.
House is still there.
House is still there.
Yep.
He rode his bike all around New London.
Yeah.
He took like a photo journal here over the summer.
Little documentary.
Yeah, hook him up on Facebook, Rocco
It's
Gentilella.
on there.
Rocco's on there. You see all those nice pictures. Eligible ladies. You know how to find them. Call here. We'll sell you his phone number. All right, Glenn Peltier on camera. Paul is working, cutting hair, snipping hair. Dave Jack's going with the blues. Peace.